Hello friends, welcome to our channel Chiku Arts and Crafts. Today I'm going to do a 4-season tree art book. The 4 seasons are spring, summer, fall, winter. A white chart paper and few color sheets and glue and a scissor. So let's get started. Place your hand and draw the hand shape. Cut the outline of the hand. Our tree trunk is ready. Fold this paper multiple times. We got some leaves. Now we can do some flowers for the spring season. Draw half-side flower shape. Here I cut some leaf shapes. We follow the same steps and cut the flowers for the spring. Here are some fall leaves. And here are some snow flakes for winter. And now let's stick them in places. Okay, let's start from spring. Okay, let's start from spring. Okay, let's start from spring. Now we're done with the spring and we're moving to summer. And now let's do the fall. We're gonna do the last season, winter. The tree gives us food, oxygen to breathe, and shade. Trees are nature's gift and we should plant and protect more trees. Hope you enjoyed today's video. We'll meet you in the other artwork in the next video. Until then, bye! மரம் வளர்ப்போம், மழை பெறுவோம்.